So there's actually a place on the internet that we can go to get free ebooks on any type of content that we can think of. And there's also another place that we can then go to actually sell these ebooks to make a ton of money online. But wait, we don't stop there. There's also a little simple method that we can then use to literally make $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, or even $600 per day by using free ebooks. So make sure you stay tuned for this whole video, because I'm going to reveal a hack that most people won't even tell you that actually exists. It's going to allow you to make a ton of money online for free. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Grant Nickel here at Inspiring Affiliates, and in this video I want to show you how you can make over $180 a day online by simply using free ebooks. Now, this method is entirely possible when you go to the right website and you combine this strategy with affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So by the end of the video, you're going to be able to go away and make some great money online. But just before I do, if you guys are new to this channel, Inspiring Affiliates, I want to welcome you. I create videos teaching people how to make money online. So if you want to learn how to make money online and you want to make some side income and quit your job and work anywhere in the world, be sure to subscribe and I'll keep you updated with these daily money making videos. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is go over and actually select our ebook that we want to download. Now, I would recommend going to freeplrdownloads.com, where there's literally thousands of free books that we can download and reuse for ourselves. We can sell these, we can put our images, and we can do whatever we want with them. It's a really, really cool site. Now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to select a video about making money from home. Since this is a popular niche topic, I know that a lot of people will be wanting to buy this ebook. You can select this exact ebook, or you can select any ebook you like. What I'd recommend you picking an ebook in wealth, health, or relationship. Those are the three main niches that people most likely buy ebooks under. So what I've done is I've typed in make money from home and I've hit enter, and I'm just going to go and actually see if I can find an ebook that I like. So let's just search for one right now. So here we have a book, free MRR ebook, Work at Home Methods Unleashed. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click it and then I'm going to download this to my desktop. And this is the first step. You do exactly this, guys, with your ebook that you find. So all you need to do is just come down right here and hit download, and this is going to go to my desktop. Now I'm just going to show you what the ebook will look like so you can have a feel for what it is and how big the ebook is and what it contains. So here's the ebook, Work at Home Methods Unleashed. Discover your numerous ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. So this is a perfect ebook for anyone looking to make money online. They're definitely going to want to read this. There's literally 4 or 5 chapters in here broken down, which teaches people the best ways to make money from home. So this is an absolutely perfect ebook for me, for my particular niche that I'm looking to sell in. So what I'm going to do now is, once you've downloaded our ebook, is to now go over to clickbank.com and find a product to promote similar to the ebook that we just downloaded. So let's head on over to ClickBank. Now, the great thing about ClickBank is there's literally hundreds and hundreds of products that we can promote down here. You see all the different categories. But what I've done is, since I'm looking for a make money online product, all I've done is select e-business, and I've come up and I've searched by gravity. Now that lets us know how many times a product's been sold in the last 30 days, which tells us how popular it is. And you can see the number one right here is Perpetual Income 365. It's $183 every time we make just one sale, and it has a gravity rating of 213. So this means it's been sold 213 times in the last 30 days, which is cool. Now I'm going to promote this. And what this is a plug and play affiliate marketing system for people who are looking to make money online. They download this software, they log onto their system, and it helps them to make money online. It's basically for newbies. So once you've actually done that, what you then need to do is go over to a website called smallpdf.com. And what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be taking our PDF document and turning it into a Word document. Because what we want to do is we want to get our affiliate links for the product that we're looking to promote and insert them in our PDF document. Okay, so the way this is going to work, this method, is we're going to make money selling this ebook, but we're also going to put affiliate links in the ebook to get even more money. So this is literally triples, quadruples our potential income, which is pretty cool. Now it's really easy to do this. All you need to do is upload your ebook you've downloaded. So if I just click choose files, just like this, what I'm going to do is find my file and then convert it into a Word document. Okay, so I've just uploaded my ebook. Now what you need to do is go to Word. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to convert it to a Word document. Really easy. And then just hit convert to Word and then hit choose option. Now this is going to convert it for us. Now what we need to do is just download it. Okay, this is absolutely perfect. Now what we want to do is we want to be inserting our affiliate links in this ebook, but we only want to put our affiliate links in twice. Okay, now the reason why, we don't want to actually spam our links in this ebook because it will ruin our customers' experience of reading the ebook, and they're more likely going to just close the book or stop reading the book when they see the affiliate links. So what we want to do is we want to find two good places to put our links. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to have a quick look right now, and what I want to do is I just want to find a space where I can put the link. So let's just go down and have a look. So here's the first place I'm going to put it, right here, which is on the top of page 9. And you want to think of something that you can put to actually cause your audience or you cause your customer to stop what they're doing, stop reading it, and actually click on the link. So what I'm going to do is, since I'm looking to promote a product about making money online from home, I'm just going to put some simple text in. Click here to get access to your very own plug and play affiliate marketing system. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make the text a bit bigger so it stands out. So let's just have a look. I think we'll go for 13, go for 14 right there. Now what we need to do is we need to go and get our affiliate link. Since we've got the text that's going to stand out, we need to link this so that whenever anyone opens the ebook and they read this and they click it, they go to our affiliate product. So what we need to do is just go back to ClickBank and get the affiliate marketing ID. So I just click this right now, and all you need to do is hit promote and then just hit generate hot links and then copy the affiliate link right there, and then come back across and open up the Word document. And this is the important thing. What you need to do here is you need to go to insert, guys, and then go to link. Now you're going to put your affiliate link in right here and then hit OK. Now this is actually linked. So whenever anyone clicks this, they're going to go across to ClickBank and go across to the website. So let's just make this text stand out even more and make it red. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this and then put it in one more place a little bit further down the ebook. And remember, guys, this affiliate marketing product that I'm promoting is obviously related to the ebook. Okay, it's all about making money online. It's no good us finding affiliate marketing product to promote that hasn't got any relation to the ebook. People will just close the ebook or people won't click it at all. So it's always got to obviously be similar to the ebook that we're looking to promote. So this is perfect. I'm just going to put it in here. I'll bring it up. So that's perfect. So we have our ebook with our affiliate links. Now what we want to do is we want to save it and create a new PDF. Okay, this is going to be our revised PDF. So let's just hit file, and then all you need to do is hit save as and then create your PDF by just hitting save. Perfect. Now it's time to move on to the next step, which is to go to the website that we can upload our PDF document and make money from it. And the website that I'm referring to is a website called gumroad.com. This is completely free to sign up. All you need to do is create your own profile, and it will only take you like a minute to do. Once you've created your profile, this is what it's going to look like. What you want to do is you want to upload your first ebook that you're going to sell, and it's going to say publish your first product. Now just click classic. That means you can start selling right away. Just click classic, and then what you want to do is you want to name your product. So what I'm going to do is name it Make Money from Home for Beginners. Okay, that's all I'm going to put. Now you can select your price right here. I would recommend selecting low price because we're going to make our money from the affiliate marketing products anyway. Once you've selected your price, all you need to do is hit next, customize, and wait for it to go through to the next stage. Now, just before we go any further, what I do want to point out is how much traffic that this website actually gets. If you're thinking that your ebook won't sell at all or nobody visits Gumroad, what I need to do is just go across to semrush.com and show you some analytics for this website. So this website, gumroad.com, in the month of September alone, it got 7.4 million views. That's crazy, in the month of September. So that's just to let you know. And their unique visitors were 4.7 million. So people are coming across to this website consistently in the millions to get ebooks and get music and to kind of get images. Okay, so this is a really, really, really popular website. I just wanted to let you guys know that. And what we need to be doing is uploading our ebooks consistently to make this work. But let's just continue right now with this method. So the next thing that we need to do is just go to description, and you want to write a little description about the ebook. Now what I would recommend is you read the ebook first so you can learn a little bit about it. But if you don't have time to do that, one of the best ways that you can do is to go across to the ebook from the website and just read the description. So it just says introducing work at home methods unleashed, discover numerous ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. And you can do exactly this. This is just going to speed things up for you. But what I'm going to do is just go across and type in learn how to make money online from home for beginners in this step-by-step ebook. Okay, I'm just going to leave it like that. That's fine. Now is the time when we need to find a really high quality cover that we can upload. Now, what you can do if you want to make your ebook cover stand out and you want to get more clicks is go over to canva.com, which is a free website, and create your very own ebook cover. This may take literally 10 or 15 minutes. It may take a bit longer if you're new to it, but it's good for you guys to get in the hang of using Canva, because you can get more sales when you make your ebooks look more professional. If you do want to use this route, all you need to do is go to, like I said, Canva, and go to create a design, and then just type in ebook, and then your ebook cover will come up and you can play around with it. If you don't have time to create a ebook cover on Canva, all you need to do is go across to Google and type in the name of the book that you've just downloaded and find a cover image. Now, I've already done this. I managed to find a good quality one, and I'm just going to upload it right now. So there we have it, work at home methods unleashed. So once we've actually uploaded our cover photo, it's then time to just come down and put a nice call to action in. I'm going to leave I want this. You can change that. You can put get access now or download now, whatever you want. I like the look of I want this. I'm just going to leave that call to action, and you can see it's taking shape. If I just move my box down a bit, you'll see we have the ebook cover here, we have make money from home for beginners, and then we have the description that I've already put in right here. So once we've actually done that, then what we need to do is come up and specify the benefits of the book. So let's just go up to summary, and let's think of something that we can say is going to cause our audience to really want to click on the ebook. So I'm going to put learn how to work from home, work anywhere in the world, be your own boss, and create the life of your dreams. That's what I'm going to put. And leave it. You see how I'm listing the benefits here? This is what we want to be doing for a summary. Now, once we've done that, what we need to do is go and actually upload the PDF file. So you'd already saved the revised version of your PDF file to your desktop. All you need to do is go to upload your files, simply upload it. So let's just do this right now. Just hit from computer, and then I'm going to upload it. Just wait for it to go through. Now all I need to do is just double check that everything's in order before I hit publish. So let's just go back up. We have a nice ebook cover there. We have a description. We have the name of the book, and we have the pricing. So all you guys now need to do is just hit publish. So let's just hit publish, and it's going to go live pretty much straight away, which is really, really cool. So I just copy this link. I'm going to show you what it actually looks like for anyone who's looking to buy this ebook, or any customer that comes to this website. Bang, and there we have it. Gumroad.com, work at home methods unleashed, make money from home for beginners. Here's the description, and here's the summary right there, £5. So what will happen is whenever anyone wants to buy this book, they just go, I want this, and they put their credit card details in, and then they go across to our ebook, where they then have the option to upscale or purchase another product related to affiliate marketing. And every time they click on the link in the ebook, they go across to this perpetual income. If I just click this right here to show you the website, right here, and every time they purchase the product, we just make ourselves $183. How cool is that? So this method works really, really well when you use affiliate marketing. So not only do we make sales from the ebook, but we also make sales every time somebody also purchases our affiliate marketing products. So remember, these people are downloading these ebooks to read because they want to learn how to make money online. So we're giving them an extra service where you can make some additional money. Now, for you guys to be getting the most money from this, you want to be doing this method consistently. Upload as many ebooks as you can. Whenever you have a little bit of time on hand, go across and download your free ebook, and then insert your affiliate links in here by using this method, where you can make some amazing money online. So that's really it, guys. I just wanted to show you this. Take action. If you have any issues at all with downloading your ebooks or inserting your affiliate links, let me know, and I'll be sure to come back and help you. And if you also want to learn how to make more money online, just like this with affiliate marketing, you can access a free training below in the first link in my description, where you can learn how to make money online really, really easily. So that's it from me for now, guys. I want to thank you for staying to the end of the video. If you have any questions or anything, please let me know.